2. This is the story of Leila. Leila is a very rich woman. She lives in a very big house. Her house is beautiful. It has many rooms. It has a big garden with many flowers. Leila has a lot of money. She can buy anything she wants. But Leila is not a nice person. She is very mean. She only thinks about herself. She does not think about other people. She likes to show everyone that she is rich. She throws her money everywhere to show off. She does not respect other people. When she goes to a restaurant, she is mean to the waiters. She shouts at them. When she sees poor people in the street, she gives them nothing. She never gives money or food to people who need it. Sometimes, she even laughs at people who have less than her. She thinks she is better than them. Leila loves to buy expensive things. She buys very expensive clothes from famous shops. She has many dresses, shoes, and coats. She also likes jewelry. She has many necklaces, rings, and bracelets made of gold and diamonds. She buys expensive bags too. Her closet is full of things she doesn't even use. She never thinks about others. She only thinks about buying more and more for herself. One day, something happens. It is a normal day for Leila. She is walking in the street, looking at the expensive shops. Suddenly, she sees an accident. A person is on the ground. This person is hurt. Leila looks closer. She sees that it is a poor person. This person has old clothes and looks very sad. Leila stops. She does not know what to do. Usually, she would just walk away. But this time, she feels something different. She looks at the hurt person, and she starts to think. She thinks about her life. She thinks about her big house, her expensive clothes, and all her money. She has everything, but is she happy? No, she is not truly happy. In that moment, Leila understands something very important. She understands that money is not everything. Having a lot of money does not make you a good person. It does not bring real happiness. She looks at the poor person on the ground and she feels sad for them. For the first time, she feels compassion. Leila decides to change. She decides to become a good person. She wants to help others. This is a big decision for her. So, Leila starts to change her life. She begins to help poor people. She goes into the street and gives food to people who are hungry. She buys warm clothes and gives them to children who are cold. She starts to smile at people she meets in the street. A simple smile can make a big difference. When she goes to a restaurant now, she is kind to the waiters. She says please and thank you. She smiles at them and leaves a good tip. 2. The waiters are surprised, but they are happy. Leila wants to do more. She starts to visit retirement homes. These are homes for old people. She brings gifts for the old people. She sits with them and talks with them. She listens to their stories. Many of them are lonely, so they are very happy to have a visitor. Leila listens with a kind heart. Leila feels good when she helps others. It is a new feeling for her. It is a warm and happy feeling in her heart. She realizes that giving is much better than receiving. She continues to help many people. She organizes big meals for the poor in her community. She invites everyone to come and eat for free. She even helps to serve the food herself. She also gives money to hospitals to help sick people. She visits orphanages, which are homes for children without parents. She plays with the children. She becomes an example for everyone. People see how she changed and they are inspired to be kinder too. Leila is now truly happy and calm. Her heart is full of peace. People love her for her generosity and her warm spirit. Leila understands that the real meaning of life is giving to others and making the world a better place. And that is the story of how Leila found true happiness. Thank you for listening. If you liked this story, Please follow our channel for more.